Welcome to my channel. Today we're making delicious pull-apart yeast buns. Mine are filled with blueberries, but you can make them without filling and they'll be just as tasty. You'll find the exact ingredient list in the video description below. As always, I invite new viewers to subscribe to my channel. Let's begin. In a bowl, add flour, 2 whole eggs, and 4 tablespoons of sugar. Now add the prepared yeast mixture. I made it with 40G yeast, a spoon of flour, sugar, and 1/4 cup warm milk. Once it's risen, add it to the dough and start kneading. When ingredients start to combine, add 1/2 cup of warm milk and 70G of melted, cooled butter. The kneaded dough should be smooth and elastic. If it's too sticky, dust it with a bit more flour. Then return it to the bowl and let it rise until doubled in size. The dough looks perfect. Once risen, place on the counter. Knead briefly, then divide into 12 roughly equal parts. Flatten each piece in your hands. Add blueberries in the center. You can also use jam, pudding, cottage cheese, or other fruits. You can even make them without filling, just add crumble topping. They'll be equally delicious. After baking, enjoy with your favorite topping like jam. Place on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Let rise for about 15 minutes. Before baking, brush with beaten egg and sprinkle with crumble. Full ingredient list for the crumble is in the video description. Place in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake for about 20 minutes or until golden brown. Once done, dust with powdered sugar or add frosting. They're delicious. I recommend you try them. Enjoy!